Hello everybody, welcome to mountain region. Actually, this is a mountain region, Bangladesh to India border point. Today I coming this region. This is very dangerous path. Actually, a lot of people every day coming this region for hangout. It is a Sherpur district, Nalitebari police station. This name is Modutila Eco Park. Actually, it after 2 days, many people coming this area for hangout. Behind me, little brother and sister. Actually, he's coming with me this region. Hey, be careful, Simon. Hey, walk slowly. Hey, you listen to me. Walk slowly. This region is very dangerous. This path is very up, almost 100 feet up. Actually, I'm so very tired in this path. Uh, go on my all surrounding nature to nature and a very mountain, big mountain. This is my near mountain. Actually, uh, my house to mountain only 8 kilometers far. So once upon a time, my childhood, again and again hang out in this area, and already 200 feet up, I'm standing. Hello, Simon. Listen. Where are your uncle and aunt? Actually, I'm so very tired, and already I'm 200 feet up, standing here, near my little brother. Hello, hi. My sister. This is my son and nephew. Actually, they are very excited day because all family hang out this region, mountain region. It is Bangladesh India border point. Am I right? Border point. Where border point? India border point. Yeah. Front of border point. Only some far. Please wait. Just I go to border site.